Assalamualaikum, I am Asif Kamal, your English teacher. I hope all of you guys are doing well at home. Today we are going to start past continuous passive voice. Okay. As you know, in passive voice, sentence always starts from object. Then we use helping verb according to the tense. Then third form of verb, then by, and subject at the end of the sentence. So, in past continuous, we will use was and were as a helping verb. Then we will use being because, as you already know, in present continuous, we have used being. So, in past continuous, we will use being as well. Look at the example. A novel was being written by her. Okay, next. Active and passive voice. These are some examples. Active to and passive voice. She was cooking meal. Meal was being cooked by her. And second sentence. They were singing a song. A song was being sung by them. He was writing a letter. A letter was being written by him. I was not taking lunch. Lunch was not being taken by me. You were not buying books. Books were not being bought by me. Sorry, by you. क्योंकि पहले भी you आया तो इधर भी you आएगा. Was he helping you? Were you being helped by him? Were you playing hockey? Was hockey being played by you? So these are some examples that I have given for your ease. Okay. So these are some sentences that I have translated from your book exercise. Look at the first sentence. कुएं से पानी निकाला जा रहा था. The water was being drawn from the well. तो पर्शियन वेल भी आप कर सकते हैं. तमाम कमरों में सफ़ेदी की जा रही थी. All the rooms were being whitewashed. सामान की पड़ताल की जा रही थी. The luggage was being checked. गरीब आदमी को सताया जा रहा था. The poor man was being teased. So, after translating these four sentences, I have picked some randomly. First of all, look at this sentence. अमीरों को टैक्स लगाया जा रहा था. Okay. Now you are supposed to guess the meanings, guess the translation of this sentence in your mind. Okay, you have only 5 seconds to guess what should be the translation of this sentence. Then I'll tell you what is the translation of this sentence. Okay, your time is up. Okay, here is the translation of this sentence. The rich were being taxed. Another sentence, सदर को खुदा हाफिज कहा जा रहा था. So again, guess the translation of this sentence in your mind. What should be the possible translation of this sentence? Okay, your time is up. The president was being seen off. I'm doing this only for like a quiz and just for your understanding, so that you may get in touch with all these things that we have revised and that we have studied in this lecture. Okay, another sentence, मजीद के हक में वोट डाले जा रहे थे. Okay, again you are supposed to guess the translation of this sentence. What comes into your mind when you read about past continuous passive voice? As I have told you already, the features, the key points. Okay, your time is up. Now look at the translation of this sentence. votes were being casted in favor of Majid. So these 3-4 sentences that I have picked randomly for a quiz for your understanding, so that you may get involved in the lecture as well. Okay. In this exercise, there are 24 or 25 sentences. You are supposed to do rest of the sentences by your own. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.